This channel is what studying abroad dreams are made of. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel iSchool Connect. Like every week, we are back with some really interesting tips around studying abroad. Like a lot of you already know, we have recently started with our iSchool Connect scholarship. It's a $10,000 scholarship and the applications are currently open. So if you are a student who is aspiring to go and study abroad, specifically for fall 2021, then you should definitely be looking at the eligibility criteria for the scholarship. All the details are going to be mentioned in the description, so please do check it out. The website, a few other YouTube videos that we've done around the scholarship, few tips and suggestions. They're all there on YouTube, so please do look at them. So in today's video, I wanted to talk about a few really important suggestions on how you can be building your profile for the iSchool Connect scholarship. My first suggestion to you is to put forward a very strong academic profile. Now, your academic profile is going to be split into two sections. One is, of course, your traditional academics, what you study in college or school. That is going to be considered. The second thing that will be considered will be what are the different kind of certifications you've taken or courses you've taken as add-ons which support either your current academics or support whatever you are looking at pursuing in the future. My second tip for you is to work on your soft skills and persona. It's not just about your hard skills when you're applying for a university overseas. They will definitely evaluate on your soft skills, whether it is the way you present yourself or the way you draft your essays. So make sure that you understand what needs to be put out there. Definitely look at a few other videos that we've done around this topic, and there's a lot of information available on YouTube around how you can build your personality, not just how you are from the inside intellectually, but also on the outside, how well you can present yourself. My next suggestion is for you to talk about your work experiences. Now, work experience can be of different types. It could be your internships that you've pursued during your college days. It could be some kind of pro bono work. It could be maybe even volunteering work or even freelancing. So if there's any kind of valuable work experience that adds to your profile, then please do mention it while you're submitting your application for the scholarship. My next suggestion for your iSchool Connect scholarship profile building is for you to work on your LinkedIn profile. For any application that comes forward, we will definitely looking at your online presence. We will evaluate how you've presented yourself on LinkedIn specifically. Over there, there are so many avenues. First, of course, is for you to make sure your profile is completely filled. Another thing you can do is you can always look at uploading or posting relevant links within your industry or area of interest, and like that we would even realize that, oh, okay, fine, this person is genuinely interested in learning what the industry they want to be a part of, and that you really want to contribute back to this industry in whatever form of insights or opinions that you have about it. My next tip is a subset of the fact that you must have an online presence over LinkedIn. And what I want to say is that if you are present on Facebook or Instagram or even YouTube, and if you feel this presence is worthwhile, you're curating a profile for yourself over there. For example, if you are into culinary arts and you're a chef, then you would probably want to have a Instagram page or probably a YouTube channel where you are presenting a few ideas or maybe recipes in this case within this Instagram page or within that YouTube channel. So if you are doing something like that, definitely a plus point for your scholarship application. So please do mention it. Now this helps in adding more character to your profile. We really get to understand what your interests are and how you really utilize your time when you're not busy with academics. So this is another really important aspect to truly holistically build your profile. Most universities require for you to have been associated with a social cause. So whatever it is that you're interested in, whether it is animal welfare or children welfare or environment related, welfare, doesn't matter. As long as you've invested your time in it, perhaps you even have a certificate from this organization that you worked with, please do add that to your profile when you are submitting your application, and I promise you this will also add heavily for your scholarship profile. I think that's all from me, guys, in terms of your scholarship building. But if you have any more queries or suggestions, you can always reach out to us within the comment section right here, or you can connect with us on social media. Our handles everywhere is iSchool Connect. You can also listen to our podcast. It's Study Abroad Tips. All of these links for our social media and podcasts are going to be mentioned in the description below. That's all from me today, guys. This is Malvika signing off. Take care. Bye-bye.